Hello everyone, my name is Liana Valdez, and in this video I'm planning to cover how to install the Forest.com platform or MetaTrader 4 platform. The first step is we need to ensure that we are using the the systems that they support. If we go to the web page for Forest.com in the trading platform download center, we can see here that they just in the system requirements they just support the window and also they support Mac. In this case, I'm using a Windows system, so I can download and install. Um, then to download, I'm just click on the download MetaTrader platform, and as you can see here, we have the particular software. Then we proceed to install the software. So here we are installing the Forest.com software for Windows. We wait a little bit until this. By default, it opens this web page in which we will have all the documentation, the forum, and all the algorithms that we can use, or the expert advisor that we can use to train in our case. And by default it's also open the Forest.com platform. So as we can see here, we have the charts, the market watch, and here in the Forest.com we will able to log in with our account. So if we click account, in order to create an account, you can open an account for trading, like testing in the website. You will receive an email with the username and the password for that particular account, and then you will be able to log in this case. We have everything set up so we can use our Forest.com. Hope it helps. Thank you so much.